How to change Facebook Messenger language? Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to change the language on your Messenger account, then you will notice there is no such option in the Messenger application itself. Even if you check the settings, there is no such option by which you can change the language. So it is very necessary to understand that the Messenger language can only be changed if you change the language of your device settings. So for this, you have to open settings on your device. Since the location can be different for everyone, the best way is tap on the search bar and tap on language. Once you type language, go to languages and then tap on input. As you can see, English is the default language currently. Tap on add a language and choose a language that you want to switch to. Choose the suggested languages and the regions. Now you might have to delete the first default one, or you can just drag the one at the top in order to make it default. It might take few seconds to set up the default settings or the language to all the applications. But once this is done, you can just open Messenger and you'll be redirected to the Messenger application with the changed language. So that is all for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.